Hi guys, Austin here. I've had a few responses on the other airsoft videos about what's the difference between an expensive gun and a cheap gun. You know, in my opinion, there are cheap guns, but if you get a real expensive gun, you're paying for the quality. You know, and that's just how it is. If you buy a cheap gun, you're not going to get as much distance. They're made of plastic, they break easy. Here's an example right here. It's the same pistol. This thing doesn't work anymore. The spring, the whole top blew out at one time. The handles off the side blew off. That's a difference. Yes. Now, this is my $200 gun. Had it for 8 months. My butt fell off of it. They all have their problems. But that's an easy fix, nor is it a major problem. This is a major problem. $20 down the drain because the top blew out of it for some unknown reason. And I had it for 2 months. That's a piece of crap right there. Downrange, I have an RV down there, and I just wanted to simulate the speed of your gun. That was about 3 or 4 seconds to hit it. And that was about 1. I don't know if you heard that or not. I hit it kind of on the screen. If you got a person downrange coming towards you, you want to hit them fast. You got this little pistol, you can't really get them. They're going to be so close to you. If they got a better gun, they're going to shoot you way before you can even hit them. If you really think you're going to go into a war with a cheap gun, think again. I'm not a big fan of cheap guns. I do own some, but that was when I first started getting into airsoft. If you're going to go into war, you need an expensive gun. Alright, just invest some money into it. It's worth it. Again, the more expensive guns are made of metal. These are plastic guns. And they're cheap. They're built cheap, and you can buy them cheap. They're much cheaper than what you can buy them for. Here's an example of what happens to a gun, a cheap gun. The whole barrel is falling off of it. And that was after a few trips on the ATV vibrating in the back. It still works, but I mean, it's broken. This gun, you have to put some serious force to break it. And that's the whole difference between an expensive gun and a cheap gun. And why you didn't figure that out yourself, I don't know, but I figured I'd still go ahead and do a video. If you'd like me to answer any more questions, I can do it through YouTube or make a whole new video if I think it's worth it. I'm going to be coming out with a new video. I had a few more comments about what's the difference between cheap bullets and more of a high quality, higher price bullet. I'll run through that here in the next video. But that's it all for today. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. I'll be coming out with way more. And like I said, please leave a comment with any questions you may have. Thank you. Have a nice day.